Okay, here are the 3 females in the princess litter. And the way we're going to tell them apart is this little girl here has the lighter, she's the lightest brown, and she's got a pink collar on. This girl here is kind of a grayish brown. See if we can show that. She's the darkest of the 3, and then this one here is also a light brown. So we're just going to watch them play a little bit. They're all pretty much equal, I would say, in temperament and personality. They're all regular little pups who love to play and wrestle. Uh-oh, hey, shh, don't chew on that. Can't chew on that. This here is Pink Collar Girl. And the one that just went into the litter box is the darker girl. She's going to go potty. Look at that. Good puppy. Good potty puppy. Alright, we'll give you some privacy, but that's a good girl. This is the pup with the pink collar on. And this is, this one's deciding to, oh, he's chewing. Hey, stop chewing on that. Can't do that. Okay, I gotta distract you guys. Come on out of there. Come over here so I can clean that up. Yeah. Good puppies. Good puppies. Hi. Hello, puppies. Hi. You're the pink collar girl. You're the other light brown girl. Dark girl. Come here. Come on, puppy. Come on. Come on. Good puppy. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. And this is the dark girl here. There we go. Good girls. Oh my word, you're all so cute. You are all so cute, aren't you? Yes, you are. Uh-oh, don't go back in there. No, I haven't cleaned it up yet. Okay, I'm going to have to say goodbye so I can get this cleaned up. Say bye, babies. Bye, puppy. Hey, puppy. Bye, puppy. Bye, puppy. Bye, puppy. See you next time. Okay, say bye to the girls. Bye.